To load a blade into the Cos-Tools Circle Cutter, first remove the beam. Now remove the blade holding knob and the blade cover. Insert one blade onto the blade holder and replace the blade cover and the blade knob. Now replace the beam into the tool. To set the size of the circle, note the scale that is on the beam. This scale is in both metric and inch. Align the side of the beam to the scale mark of the circle desired. When using the Cos-Tools Circle Cutter, always use foam board underlayment under the foam that you're cutting. You can use a marking tool to indicate the dead center of the circle to be cut. Align the retractable pin on the mark you made to see that the circle is dead center. To cut the circle, turn the crank clockwise. Rotate until you can feel the blade pass through your foam and cut slightly into the foam board underneath. Make sure after every cut, rewind the tool to neutral. Visit our website to see the entire Cos-Tool family.